In today's video, I'll show you how to change fonts in Gamma AI. First, go to the official Gamma AI website. Once you're on the homepage, click Templates, then click Standard. Choose a template from the available options and click Use Template. When the template loads, select the text from your chosen template. Then click the font settings. Scroll down and click Edit Theme Fonts. Next, click Fonts. To change the heading font, click the current font. You can search for the font you want or scroll down the drop-down menu to select one you prefer. Once you choose a font, click it. You will see the change appear on the test page on the right side. You can also modify the text thickness. Click the thickness setting and choose from the suggestions in the drop-down menu. You can also change the color. Just click on the color section and select the color you want. You can also change the body font. Click the current body font, scroll down and choose a font that matches your design. Then click it. If you want, you can also change the thickness and the color. Once everything looks good, click Save Theme. Your font theme will now automatically update. And that's it. That's how you change fonts in Gamma AI.